I wanted to do this video because I love bacon, and also because I know many of you out there share this love. As a secondary reason, I made it because I want to share with you a quick and easy method of creating what I call daily bacon. A tool and ingredient that you can use in your daily cooking to offer an alternative to vegetable oils that seem to be more and more unfit for human consumption these days. If you've seen any of my other videos and you decided to come back for more, then I assume that you are finding some value in them. If that's the case, please bless me with your kindness by subscribing to the channel, as it helps me grow and become better. In return, I promise to bring you higher value content each time. Thank you very much. So here we go, daily bacon. Let's start. The ingredients are 3 kilos of back bacon, 210 grams of rock salt, and a bit of black pepper. If you've seen any of my other videos, then you know I'm a big fan of rock salt for curing and fermenting foods. I won't go on my usual rant now, but if you want to hear it, then watch the salt pork video and you'll see what I mean. Suffice to say that rock salt or sea salt is the best type of salt to use here. The pepper I use is freshly ground pepper, and in the grinder I have black, green, white and red pepper, but black pepper works just fine. Lastly, I mentioned the back bacon. And that's because it's more fatty than the belly bacon, and the main use of this product is to cook with and not to enjoy on its own. Though think about it, fat equals flavor, so this is no pushover ingredient. When it comes to the tools you need for this recipe, they are a chopping board, a sharp knife, a big bowl to mix stuff in, and Ziploc bags. Now that we have everything ready, into the prep we go. We'll start by portioning the back bacon into smaller pieces. My advice is to aim for 600 gram or 1.5 pound pieces, because this will help later in the process. Once you're done with this stage, start rubbing each piece with ample amounts of rock salt and pepper. Take your time and make sure that you get salt into each nook and cranny. Leave no spot uncovered. The salt is the main curing agent here, and it will do all the heavy lifting. Do not worry if the bacon becomes wet all of a sudden. It means that you're doing the job perfectly. The salt is drawing the moisture out of the bacon, and it's exactly what should happen. As soon as you're done salting each piece, get the Ziploc bags and pack them in individually. Even if you can fit 2 pieces in a bag, don't. The reason is that we need them to be surrounded only by salt and not be in contact with other solids. This way we get an even and appropriate cure. If there's any salt left in the bowl when you finish, then evenly distribute it among the bags. Waste nothing. Then put them in the fridge or a cold space for 4 days. This time represents the curing stage, and it's essential for the shelf life and the food safety of this product. After this time has passed, take the bacon out of the bags, wash it well with cold water, pat it dry with paper towels, and now it's ready for the aging stage of this process. The aging stage will take 10 days. I personally have a smokehouse, and when it's not used for smoking, it serves as a curing box. I do this with most of my projects, and it has never disappointed. Also, bear in mind that while I was filming this video, the temperature outside, where my smokehouse is, was below 8 Celsius, which is the temperature that we're looking for while aging this bacon. It can also be done in a root cellar, pantry, basement, balcony, or even fridge, as long as there's a good air circulation and the temperature is below 8 Celsius. 10 days go fast, and sooner than you expect, your daily use bacon is ready. As you can see, I'm further portioning the pieces into what I consider one-time use. My needs are my own, and if you think that you need more or less than a 200 gram piece of bacon to cook with in a day, then adjust accordingly. This batch should keep you going for a while, and if you think you're running low, then get yourself another piece of back bacon and start this process again. Remember, from start to finish it takes 14 days, and you're back in the bacon zone. I hope this video was useful, and if that's the case, please let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like it and share it with others as well, so you can be welcomed by bacon goodness wherever you may go. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next week. Bye bye.